Okay, hi fellow bus riders, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I understand that for the meantime you may have seen that there are only a few videos in my channel. That's due to some weather conditions and also some very bad lighting conditions. I tried to shoot my videos at home because I'm just beginning and I try to shoot my videos at home. Poor lighting, end up with poor quality videos, so I decided to stop, and now I'm outside shooting in the open. Okay, so basically, just to give you a rough idea about what Bus Rider is, okay, it's simply my YouTube channel to help or give tips or maybe tools that riders may require in your journey while you are riding, right? Be it in Singapore or even overseas. Well, for the meantime, overseas for me is just like JB. Where if other riders who have gone further down, maybe to Thailand or to Indonesia, right? You're welcome to post your comments below, share your ideas, share your knowledge. You're welcome to do so. Okay. Other than that, there'll be mostly tips on maybe how to lodge a police report for your accidents, what to do when you're caught up in the accidents, so on and so forth. What you can do also to do your own maintenance, right? Because usually some of us will just throw it over to the bike workshop and that's it. Let them do. You wouldn't even know what's going on. Whereas those who are already used to going to JB, you would already have known that whenever the mechanics do their servicing, we have to look into it. Alright, we have to observe. Otherwise, you wouldn't know what you end up with. Okay, so basically, if you're still new to this channel, alright, please press the subscribe button plus the bell button to be informed of the latest videos. Alright, there's one more video coming up very soon. Alright, after this introductory video, so I hope, alright, to see more subscribers, alright, to get this channel going. Alright, so see you in the next video. Ride safe.